welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Welcome. Make yourself comfortable because you're family now. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you can be alert whenever I do post, which I post every Sunday. Today we're gonna get into this look. I originally posted this on Instagram and I got some feedback to post the video tutorial on how I did this look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this slime green double graphic eyeliner, which I guess you can call it a graphic liner as well, but it's a double liner, black and green, then stay tuned. Okay, getting started, we're gonna use LAYIN Low as my base, and I'm just applying this all over my entire eyelid. I'm using Colors Pop Hocus Pocus palette that came out last year, and I'm putting this brown color as my transition color in my crease only. Next, I'm going to take MAC's Give a Glam, which is a powder kiss formula. Put a little bit on the ends, and it's okay if you put a little too much. Just switch over to the other side and blend it out together. Then I'm going to take Miss Salem. I'm going to apply that all on the lid, and I'm just packing this color onto the lid. So you may see me go in a couple of times just to get the payoff color that I want, but the key is to pack and not swish it on the eye. I'm going in with Inglock's 77 Black Eyeliner, which is my favorite gel eyeliner in the whole wide world. And you notice how when I'm doing my liner, I'm doing little flicks. And I'm using more of a straight type of liner brush instead of an angled brush. So I'm just going in with that color and I'm doing light little strokes, building it up to the dents that I like it. But don't make it super thick because we still got to put the green on. Just gotta make sure it's perfect, so I'm going over it a little bit more. Now I'm going in with Myomakeup Pigments, and I'm just using some of MAC's Mixing Medium to mix it and make it wet so that it's movable on the eye. So I'm gonna leave all items linked below, and I'm just gonna line the top part of my liner. This time I'm using an angled liner brush because my other one was dirty. So I'm just gonna use this angled brush to line the green part of the liner. And remember y'all, light little strokes, because if you go heavy-handed, it's hard to take it away. It's easy to add. Now I'm going back in with the black, and I'm just going to clean it up and make everything look perfected, so it just looks perfected. So yeah, I'm just going to reline some of the black areas to make everything look nice. Going in with MAC's Strobe Cream and Peach Light. I love this stuff. I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I'm oily, so I like to use this Prep and Prime Pore Refiner stick right here in my T-zone. Just rub it in a little bit. And today we're going to use Fenty's Blur Skin Tint Blur, EAZE Blur, EAZE Drop Blur, whatever the hell. I'm gonna link that below too. I love this stuff. It's so lightweight and it's perfect for the summertime. So I definitely recommend this. Super sheer. So that's why I could put a lot on my face, because like no matter what, it's really not gonna be very like full coverage. It's more on the sheer side, which I like it. And we're gonna go in with Born This Way concealer, which are my favorites. I'm using Maple and Honey. I already had put Maple down. Now I'm just using Honey as like a highlight. And these are the areas where I like to apply my concealer to help lift and brighten the face. Oh, I almost forgot to put my cream for my bronzer. I'm gonna add that too. The reason why I'm putting these things on my face like this in these areas is because this is where I want the shadows to be. This is where I would naturally like get tanned if I was to get darker, or this is where I'm naturally darker at. But yeah, we just gonna blend this on out. Blend it on out. I love to use Airspun powder as my setting powder underneath my eye, and then I dust it off with another powder. I use the setting powder in my oiliest areas, so it looks like that. And I don't really like bake. I just set it on top. I'm going in with Cocoa Naughty as my bronzer to set Chocolate. And I'm gonna also do it in my nose area. I'm gonna use Dark Golden, which is a MAC mineral powder, and I'm just gonna dust the areas where I put the Airspun powder at. And then we're gonna use Fix Plus setting spray just to set everything. And going in with Cheeks Out blush, cream blush, and daiquiri. Just gonna pop that on my little cheeks, little rosy cheeks. Then I'm using these lashes. I'm just gonna apply these lashes on, and I have a tutorial actually on how to apply lashes if you're wondering. Excuse the Undertaker eyes. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. And they're on. I'm going in with that green liner, and I'm just lining the edge underneath the black. And we're done. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you love these type of videos, I'm gonna need you to hit the like button down below.